Good day. Today in our tutorial I will take you step by step how to share a large file using my drive. Click on my drive, go to upload file, select a file from your computer. In this case I put it on my desktop, February 1998. Open. It's a very small file, so it should take not more than a few seconds. Generally speaking, we do have around 15 gigabyte for the drive. Hopefully Google will let us use more space on Google, and it will finish in 1 second. Voila, the file is uploaded. Here is February 1998. All you have to do, right click, share. Now you have to change got link, change restricted, anyone with a link. That's essential, otherwise they won't be able to download the link. Anyone with a link, copy the link, and now all you have to do is send the link to anyone. All the best and good luck with uploading and sharing large file on the internet.